Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindsets, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello,
Yeah,
how
hi,
are
hi.
you, bro?
I'm good. How about you, bhai?
I'm good, I'm good. And how are you, Chad? How are you doing? Tufik, do you took any trade today?
No, bro. I took a trade in Asian session, which gave me loss. So after that, I'm just sitting, and as we have a NFP as well today,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, just watching
So
markets, wild moves.
can you break down the chart, the goal?
Yeah, I show you. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, yeah. Now I can.
So my NFP was actually I draw some line over there, looking for a longs, and unfortunately
Mm-hmm.
I got him around here. In Asian session, usually I took some trade in Asian session, but nowadays I don't get a clean setup in Asian session. So I took
Mm-hmm.
a trade around this level, and my TP was this two highs. But unfortunately, it gave me loss, and I just stopped out my day as it was my master account. So I'm just waiting as today is a lot of wild red news, red windows, a lot of news is today. I'm just securing my master account for the next day when the market slow down a little bit and will not give much white news, and then look forward tomorrow. Also today we have is NFT, so all for the NFT is huge as well because we just break the recent we will say resistance and just retesting this level once again, and looking forward to see some candles like this today, most probably even during NFP or after NFP, and let's see how this will. And this is with respect of silver, as silver is going all time high again and again. So I think I see so many times that gold follow sometimes silver as well. See, we open a silver chart in front of you. Okay, if you see the silver chart in the daily time frame, it's at all time high. Okay, and if you see the gold, it is near all time high once again, and it is debating still to make another high on this level. So I'm expecting in upcoming few days we will see a weekly candle like this. Okay, then we will move forward. So yeah, this is
Yeah.
my current view on the market. Today bias is although bullish, but current scenario, if you see the news and all, the wild moves ahead, and everything can be unexpected today. It may be it can go down and then will push back upside. So yeah, for that we need to like secure or protect our capital as we are trading prop firms. So we need to see a lot of things like not trading during move, and we have been lost in this game. So I'm just waiting to see what will happen after NFP. Even after NFP, we have one two more news as well.
Mm-hmm.
So if I talk about current levels on gold, I think we will go down back again on the London lows and we'll tap on this level. And I'm expecting a good bias on this level, okay, for this target. And if you see the previous weekly candle, just give me a minute. There are a lot of noise. Okay, I just want to buy on this level when we see that there is 4263. And on the 30-minute time frame, it is giving me a same level for the solid buy where we can see a more down trade. Also, this will be the one which sweep the this liquidity sweep. Okay, we have a equal lows here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm expecting to market will go to this level 4263 or 64. And if we see the price over there, we can get a plus, a solid trade, which can give us a no drawdown. Even if I buy on the current market price, it has a highly probability to sweep the London low and will tap onto these liquidity zones. So that's what my view for the today's bias and today's market. Although I will try to stay sideline until unless I see 4263. So that's my level. And if you see this 4263 is also is working as a support. Once this break this resistance, this roll mass, this make a high and just retesting again on this level. And I don't think so. This is a fake out because it already spends a lot of time over there. If you see from Friday to Tuesday, it's almost 3 days. Okay, and this level is still respected. If this want to become a fake out, its whole move, it needs to be this red candle needs to close like this. Okay, but this didn't close and make a support from this level. I anticipate that this will make another week and then it will go up as we are seeing in the India.
Mm-hmm. Same. I have same bias with you.
Yeah, moving forward to you. If you have any specific thing other than this, you can share yours. And meanwhile, on the 4-hour time frame, the price is looking tempting. 4-hour time frame is looking tempting to invite new buyers. If you see the 1-hour time frame, okay, and if I mark the basic levels, okay, this is a good candle and a good price. It was a support, but this support was not a recent. It is already sweep. I just want to take out these lows, and when we sweep these lows, we have a highly probability of a one directional trade. Although 1 hour time frame is looking good, but again, a not A plus setup. This can a highly chance to sweep these lows once again, and then it may go up upside. So yeah, meanwhile you can see some chats, queries, options, and if you want to share something about your charts or some different instrument, you can go ahead, Heramani.
Okay, okay. So for goal, I have the same bias with you. I'm also waiting for on goal. My bias is still bullish, but I want to see at least it came down
Even the
to
Heramani, even it, this price will be good. Even if I ignore the 4264, this price will be a solid price for the bias as well. Like we need to see some price action on a 5-minute time frame or a 15-minute, even on 1 minute time frame, or this will consider as a order block, or you can say a fresh demand. Okay, and later on, if we see something on 4279, if my entry model is match on this level, then I will be do some execution for the buyers, and same for the if this level is not respecting today. No, we don't know it will respect during news or not. If this level broke, then I will look for only 4263. These are the major, we can say, key levels for today. Although it can go up from this level without giving retest. Like if I buy on this level, this will be a FOMO trade. You see, this move is already 200 pips from the current lows. Okay, so yeah, this is concerned buying on a, like you can say, a stretch market or a overpriced market.
yeah.
Yeah, people are like agree with that people are thinking that gold need to drop a little bit more, and then we can see some bullish side movement.
Watching from Philippines. Hello Philippines. Hello Filipinas friend. How are you?
Let's ask chats from where you guys are watching this stream. Spam guys from which city and which country you are watching this stream. Let's see.
Please break down Nasdaq. Sure, brother. Sure.
Yeah, I just drop out my screen.
I'll share mine. Okay. So first of all, I will share my thoughts on Euro USD EU. As I told yesterday also with Camel, this is my level I am looking for. So it already reached this level. So, but by the way, I'm not trading on EU. Uh, from yesterday, I didn't take any trade on EU because I don't have my setup. But this kind of movement is very good. But yesterday, I wait for this level to tap in to for longs, but I'm looking within 9:30 to 11:30, but it doesn't give me in that time frame. So it was not a good setup for me. The price action is good, but the timing's not matching for me. So I just missed this one. And today I'm not interested in this kind of price action over here. So I already ignored it. And till now, before news, if it gets some retracement, I hope it will go to this level, this one. So this will be my target for EU. Still, I'm bullish on EU. That's it overall. And for GU is looking very, very good. The price action is very good. Yesterday was very mass on GU, but today on London session, it was very good setup over here. Like around the early London session, it was very good. So I got some scalping on London on GU. My TP is over somewhere here. So, but right now, uh, if I see some retracement to this level, then I will go for long. Otherwise, I will wait for another good retracement. And for gold, same with TAUFIQ. I'm interested if it goes further down to this level, at least to 4260 level. There will be a very good buy for me. If it touch this level and if I get some confirmation like break of structure or a bullish closing candle at least in 15-minute time frame, then I will look for longs on gold. And for now, I'm expecting some kind of retracement from this level from 4299 to 4302. From this level, I'm expecting some kind of retracement. So it will give me a good confirmation for this coming 30 to 1 hour minutes. Like we have some news on I30 as well. So after 8:30, after news, after 8:45, I will be looking for some setup. If I go for long, then Asians high will be my target, my interested area only for today. So that's my plan on gold. And same with silver as well. Silver is uh, making another all-time high, but doesn't make in gold. So it was a very good divergence. And recently we have cut the interest rate as well. So at least I need to see some bullishness on commodities. So let's see. I will take my confirmation after 8:40, 8:45 New York time.
How
And
many
for Nasdaq,
for the news?
sorry,
How many minutes left for the news?
around 15 minutes left. Now is 8:15
It's the first time
EST.
we are here for the NFP. What do you
And
expect?
for Nasdaq,
What do you
I'm still
see
bullish, but
for the
I just
NFP?
want to uh, need some confirmation for Nasdaq.
Can you hear me, Heramani?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Go on, please go on.
What are you expecting from NFP for the candle for the that exact one candle? The result
On
I'm
gold.
yeah, gold or any pair.
It depends, bro, but I'm expecting some kind of bearishness on dollar index. So I'm expecting bullish on gold, and I'm expecting bullish on Nasdaq
Okay.
with Euro USD. But let's see. That
I'm
is my
expecting a
expectation.
I'm expecting a downside wick, a long wick, which will
Hmm.
tap on our level most probably, and then it will fly upside. Like overall bias for the NFP when we close the day,
Okay.
I think it will be bullish. The probability is higher, more for the bullishness, and that main candle I'm talking about, the NFP result could be like a wick from downside, then it may flip to upside like above the 4300.
So if I see this kind of movement on gold, it will be my setup. But let's
But
see how it works.
Heramani, I will not execute if this is this level I got during the news. I don't have balls, bro, on the time.
I will wait until 15 minutes. Like
Hmm.
8:30 will be the news, and I will wait 15 minutes at least after news.
And chats are replying. Many people are from Arunachal, Pakistan, Tamil Nadu, Noida, Gurgaon. There are a lot of neighbors, Heramani. Gurgaon and Noida.
Hello, hello everyone. Hi from Arunachal Pradesh, India. Hello, brother. I'm from Manipur as well. Nice to meet you. From Tamil Nadu. Um, Hi, Ramani and Tufik. Myself from Gurgaon. Hello, brother. And thank you for the insight. As you wish, that's why we're going live to share our thoughts and to share you the knowledge about psychology and mindset about trading. So it's the beauty about this life. So thank you so much for this opportunity to Tradin TV and the team. Noida, the market is not doing anything less than right. There is no startup working yet. Hello, bro. Heramani and Tufik watching from Manipur. Nice, brother. Kindly provide insights of GZ. Sorry, I will look for GZ, but I'm not trading on GZ for a long time. Bro, if I got my target in wants to do trade in funding pips, can I trade in like 0.01 lot to make the three trading days? I think, brother Nick, you can do it in funding pips, not in funding pips pro.
No, no, it's allowed.
It's allowed.
FundingPips Pro has only one trading day, so you don't need to do any minimum trading day rule.
Mhm.
If you have a normal account, then you can put 0.01 lot on the next 2 or 3 day in order to count as a, you can say, minimum trading day. Good evening, everyone. And Tawfiq watching from Dubai. Thank you so much for watching us, bro. Let's ask some question, guys, if you have any. Also, we are waiting for the NSP candle.
Yes, the news is in 10 minutes from now. So, Seth, do you have any questions, like any doubts or any questions you can ask on the chat? And if we can help you, we can help you out.
Any trade BTC. Let me see BTC, bro. What is BTC is doing?
BTC, I'm bearish on Bitcoin right now.
I'm as well, but I just want that previous weekly lows need to sweep like that 80,698 level. And this time I'm thinking, and I'll do some positional trading or swing trading. I'll just buy 0.01 lot every day on BTC once it's hit 80,000 or 75,000.
Makes sense. Makes sense. So, like, let's say, for example, according to the this news and all, if we can see the higher time frame, like monthly or weekly time frame bias, then we can hold on it in our live account or in a small percentage in funded account. That is good. Like, just hold some small lot and just forget it until it hits the TP.
Can we copy trade between different funded accounts? Yes, you can copy your trades.
If this is the bear market, then easily, bro, easily Bitcoin can hit at least 60,000, at least 60.
Just
And
give us a trade, Hiramani. The price is at 90,000, 87,000, and if it falls, like it will be 27,000 points. So indirectly, you are telling me, Hiramani, to short on gold, on Bitcoin.
yeah, but let's see. Gold is going up to this level. So from this level, I'm expecting some kind of retracement, at least to this gap, it will be nice. So let's see. ZU, right now, I don't have any setup for me. Like it's already running very smoothly, so I don't think so it will run further on GU. Same with EU as well. Nasdaq is good. The 4 hour candle is closing in 37 minutes. So if I can see this fair value gap, then it will be nice for me. Let's see. BT is going up, bro. Can you explain your entry module? Which one? Bro, just avoid red and orange. Okay, market is moving today. Can you guys give me a clarity regarding news trading? I'm a bit confused. Is it all for the news that we can trade or only for the red highlighted news? Bro, that any red folder and orange, you just avoid red folder and orange folder. That's it. Within those period, like I think for funding pips it's 5 minutes before and after, so overall it's within that 10-minute period you need to avoid trading or any new position or any kind of adjusting your old position.
Yes,
Goal, goal, goal.
gold is flying. Yes, I'm seeing. The 4S candle is the extremely FOMO candle for the lot of traders. Did you see, Iraman?
Huh?
The 4S candle of gold. It's very tempting.
But right now the 4 hour candle is looking very bullish, but it is not closing yet.
Yes,
So
that's
so many traders are making mistake like, oh, 4 hour is in this kind of very big bullish candle, but it is not closing yet. When the time it was closing, we cannot say it can retrace from here and get a big wick or something like it. So waiting for candle closing is very important. Any thoughts on that, Tufik?
what did you said?
Like just to wait for candle closing.
Yes, absolutely. And this kind of trade is just inviting you for the longs. Like if you are buying on the current price, where you will put your stop loss. Like we have a 250 pips move. We have a low below 250 pips. So it will be not good to buy on the current price. Wait for some retracement or the levels which we talk about, or if you have any level. So just wait, as the candle has not been closed yet. It may happen. This will flip to the bearish, and your stop loss will be stop out. Okay. I agree with that. Like even I am planning for the buyers, but just sake for these one way moves, I'm not able to do execution, not for the buyers. Okay, and we just tap on the 4,300, which is a psychological level as well. So we may see some retracement from this level, and let's see how this will goes. Also, I have a master account, so I cannot risk that account on this market as the 4 minutes left for the news.
So only 4 minutes left for the news. Let's see.
I'm expecting a dump, guys, because we give expansion towards the psychological level, and we have a lot of Novi candle below this wholesome move. So I have a probability, my expectations and my bias for the that NFP candle is bearish, and it has a highly probability to make a wick downside, a big wick, and then it can flip to the upside. You guys can share your bias as well for the NFP. Let's see what you guys are thinking.
Everybody knows about to become profitable, the rule, the secret, but most people are not profitable. Why? The simple as that. They are not disciplined enough. That's it. Discipline in the sense, the proper risk to reward, the proper risk management, and like they are chasing the price. If they are seeing bullish in 1 minute, they will simply go for buy. And after 5 to 10 minutes, they are seeing a sell, they will go for sell again. And if they are in profit, let's say if you're trading in London session and they are in profit, why they are risking again in New York session, bro? You have to stop trading.
Heramani, do you know even many people don't want to book profits? I don't know why. They think the London session is giving you profit. Now I'm going to see some expansion more upside in the NY Open, bro. Most of the time for the day trading, price retrace so many times for the till the 50% or 78%. And the guys was asking about profitability. I can answer in the only one word, that is control on emotion. Simple as that. Like you guys are seeing us in front of your screen that we are seeing a bullish price. I am seeing the price of 4H candle is very tempting, and even I want to buy at the current market price. But the thing is, I have that control that I am seeing something that the price is already give 250 moves. So it will not make any sense. Like if I put a stop loss 250 pips move for the bare minimum risk reward 1:2, I need to target 500 pips to match my risk reward. Okay, if I buy on the current market price without respecting the risk reward, it will end me up losing only. There will be no other odds for after that, only losing, because we cannot see 50 pips move from this level after giving 250 pips move again. So I can only answer that people has no control on their self, and as Hiramani said, people needs to book profit as well. If you are making some money, you are already ahead of 95% who are losing in markets. So it will be good for you if you start booking profit and respecting that profit again. And
Yeah, exactly.
have only 30 seconds left, guys. And let me see
Give
charts
me
on this
luck,
side.
Dampakang. Nice to meet you, brother. Lots of love. Only 30-second left for the news. And my kind of advice will be if you are trading in live account or in funded account, don't try to force yourself in trading during the news. It will be very volatile. The spread will be very big. It can happen anytime the slip is. So it's very difficult to do that. So at least wait for 10 to 15 minutes after the news.
And some people will do execution during news, and they'll cry on Twitter that this firm gave me
And
slippage. Come
I
on,
will tell
dude.
you one thing.
What you are expecting? And the price candle is comes up, a bullish candle for 20 pips on the 1 minute time frame, and expecting a rejection. Let's see how this will goes. Although the candle has
And
no weak, but a highly probability chance.
anyone, let me know on the chat. Do you guys try any whenever it is news like NFP, CPI, FOMC, this and all? we are doing like we will put our let's say buy limit and sell limit.
I never did like this. I did like a lot of time. I deposit $100 on my broker account, and just I full put it by praying that give me profit, give me profit. But most all the time I lose. I barely I win. Like out of 10 time, one time I made money, and 9 time I lose money. So overall, I'm in
Yeah.
loss in that.
I
I'm closing.
tried everything, bro. It doesn't work like that. In my initial time, I just news will be very volatile. So whether it goes upside or buy side, I will take both, one buy and one sell, and whatever it takes my stop loss, it's okay. And one direction, I will keep for the profit. So I tried everything, bro. So it doesn't work like that.
So you basically knows what actually required to become profitable in Heramani. Yeah.
Okay, the goal is going up. It doesn't give us any kind of retracement till now.
But
So
I'm
before,
still expecting Heramani that it will trap buyers. I don't know why. Because if you see the NFP candle, the candle has no wick. So it has a highly chance to flip from the bullish, and then it will close below $43,000, 4,300.
can you share your screen, Tofik?
Yeah, I'm gonna share. Just stop yours so here.
Uh,
And NFP is not going to be this much easy. Let's see on this line. This is a recent demand or recent supply. Let's see price how it will react to this level.
we have another news in 9:45 as well. One more.
So how many time minutes would that be used? Uh, Only 1 hour 15 minute PMI.
So I'll tell you one story. Like in my initial days when I start trading,
Hmm.
every time I trade, I lost my account. Like if I go for buy, the price will go for sell. If I go for sell, the price will shoot up. If I'm not trading, the price will be very volatile. If I'm trading again, it will be in consolidation.
A never ending story. A never ending story. Oh my god.
So I thought like if my bias is bullish and if I want to buy, I will go for sell.
Just do reverse what you are thinking and you will be
Yeah.
profitable. Another success mantra by Heramani. Oh my God. Cause I think sometime it will work. If someone is losing consistently in the market, just do opposite what you are thinking. This is also a strategy, I think.
It's a simple hack. If you are looking for or if you want to buy the market, like let's say for example, if you are bullish on gold, just short on gold. If you are
Then I'll teach
bearish
my
on gold,
students. Then Hiramani, then I'll open my mentorship and tell people, guys, just listen to me. Whatever I'm telling you, just do opposite of that, and you will be profitable. Oh my god,
it's a kind of trick I'm
easy
using
money,
in my.
guys. Easy money. And 1 minute
Uh,
candle is closing bearish. And let's see if this recent supply will work or not. Okay, okay. Also, they have this confirmation.
to fit for 25K account, what is the maximum lots you suggest for single position as per your experience?
I usually do 250 to $400 as my risk reward is usually higher. And if you are trading a big account like 50K, 100K, then I risk flat 1% no matter it is revolution or funded account. But 25K account, sometime I risk more than 1%, even on master account, because it's a small account comparatively 100K, 50K. So yeah, but my wins are usually big than losses. Like once you make a payout from that funded account, then you can go aggressive. If you have a backup to buy 5 or 10 accounts, then you will have some buffer in your pockets to buy more account even if the previous account reach. Yeah. So that's the best thing I think we can do as a funding business. And if you are someone who is just risking so much in your account without taking payment, then it may be you will be into trouble because you must have some backups from your funded account.
Is it okay to book profit before the set target? Like target is $105, but taking out $99, but it hit the target. Am I in the right mindset?
Even
Uh,
this one.
yes, but it depends on the condition, bro. Like if you are really, really beginner, my suggestion will be just don't like adjust your stop loss or take profit. Just let it be. And if you are a little bit kind of experienced and if you are trading in funded account, the way you are doing is correct. It makes sense.
I'll say if you are someone who don't have much backups, who don't have much money to buy more account, if your take profit is $105, and if you're seeing $99 on the screen, and if your hands are shaking and you're getting some sweat from your body, so just book that profit. And I see no one who is broken by booking profits. Okay, and whenever you book profit, you are gaining some experience. Okay, and when you are losing, you are just reducing your experience, or you can say your confidence. So it will be great, and you will never see a guy who is broke by booking profits, no matter it is small or big. And my current approach is that book the profit whatever you are seeing. Sometimes you have to for your risk reward ratio is when you are getting something on a live account more than your expectations. Just book that profit regardless of take profit or anything else. That it will give you a boost. It will give you a confidence to execute some more trades after that moment. Okay. Why do gold have to go down straight to stop loss when I buy it? We just discussed about a golden strategy, guys. Just do again against what you are thinking, and then you will be profitable. Someone is saying DSY is good. Let me see DXY, guys. Oh, DXY.
For DXY dollar index, my target is almost done for this week.
Oh my God. Heramani, look at the DXY candle. That 15 minutes. Oh,
Crazy.
oh my. It just sweep the previous weekly candle, which has no wick. And look at the wick. Once this break the highs, we can see some wild movement in gold.
Don't forget, we have another news in, I think, around 50. No, now it's 8:30, right? So
It has, I guess, 1 hour left for that one.
around
Heramani.
1 hour from now, around 1 hour, 9:45, we have another news for US dollar.
Heramani, I'm logging my master account for one trade.
Sorry?
I'm logging my master account on MT5 for that one trade I'm seeing.
Okay, okay.
Let's see.
Yes, if I had gone the opposite this whole time, I would have requested so many payouts. Nice one. It's a simple hack.
But even bro, that guy AV, I'm telling you, despite that, you will be not profitable. The reason is You will see profit on your broker on your dashboard, and you will think, no, bro, I need to make some more money. Okay, and then you will lose same as well the way you are losing on the different side. So
Yep,
I
yep,
think
yep.
the problem is in, I think Hiramani will agree with that as well. The problem is in mindset. The people are
100.
just greedy. Even we are greedy as well sometimes when we see some big profit on the market. So it will be great whoever is coming into market, just control your greeds, emotions. Strategy was never the problem to for the unprofitable traders. Strategy was always right. The probability is always 50% to go up or go down. Only two
Okay,
sideways. Yes.
100%, 100%. And I want to add one more to that. Like any kind of strategy that we see on the internet or we learn from someone, it could be anything like ICT, SMC, support resistance, any indicator, anything. Take any kind of strategy, it will work. Any kind of strategy can work, but sometimes, not always time. Sometimes. So you have to find out that in which time or which kind of market condition it will work more. So any kind of strategy, it will work, but it will work for sometimes. So please keep in mind this one. Yeah, I'm expecting gold Asian's high liquidity. If it is more bullish, then if we see some retracement from here without taking out Asian's high liquidity, then I'm interested to look for longs on gold after 9:45. And guys, chat, I will ask you one thing. How many accounts do you have blown till now? My net is very slow today. DXY is going up right now after taking out some major liquidity, and it fills some gap as well on daily time frame. Mhm. 4 hour candle is closing in 15 minutes. Let's see in this 15 minute how it closed the candle for 4 hour on gold. One out of three right now, 20 plus, none on 50% target phase one in funding pips. Okay, how do you control overtrading? Most of my accounts I have blown because of overtrading. So you need a very solid plan, bro. Like if you lose like the first trade of your day, then stop trading. Or if you are losing first trade and second trade on the same day, just stop trading, bro. You are done for the day. Don't try to cover up your loss or try to make more on your loss. So it doesn't work like that. So just done for the day. Come tomorrow, come another day, and you can trade in like your mindset will be free again, and you can take a very good decision. Otherwise, trading is all about decision making. So if you are in pressure, like you are losing again and again, but you want to take a revenge trade, so the, in even if you are in very emotional, the right decision you are taking, or any decision you are taking to trade the tech, to like trade that asset, it will be very mess up. So try to take a break. First account from FundingPips, managing with proper risk management. I'm learning a lot from this account. Nice one, brother Laurembam. My trade is like 1 to 2 trade per day. Should I take the second trade after profit on the first trade? If you are profit on the first trade, bro, it doesn't make sense to take another one.
I'm just executing a trade, guys, a short trade on gold,
Okay,
and
nice, nice.
targeting the NFP open and little bit more downside, and later on I'll, once I have 1 hour, then I'll break, or you can say trail my stop loss. Okay, and I stop a very minimal position on a 25K account, and I'm expecting a one way, or you can say a no drawdown trades on this one, but let's see how this will goes, because I want to see a wick filling on that NFP candle, which already
Mm-hmm.
stood on this 1 minute. Okay, now anticipating that this 1 minute will flip bearish, and if this flip bearish, then we can easily get our take profit, and if this bounce back from this level, then we may go upside again, because if you see the candle, this was the NFP open candle. Okay, can you see, this was the NFP open candle, and I'm expecting or anticipating that this should break from there. Okay, if this respect this level, this may go upside again, and my trade will become invalidate after that. Let's see how this will go. I want a rejection on this candle for a smooth trade, for a no drawdown trade. Let's see.
Uh, if five minute candle closing in, I think in 1.5 minute now.
Which candle you say?
Five minute time frame.
Okay. Yes, and I do this trade for the sake for that we have the recent supply over there, which was 43707, and price is reject from that level. If you see, let me show you more. Okay, I considered a fresh supply or demand, or you can call it, if you're a ICT trader, you can call it a auto block. Okay, and yeah, I want to break from on this lows that 1 minute. Okay, if this break or sweeps, then we can see a smooth trade. Okay, and that's how actually I manage. And once the candle break high like this, my trade will become invalidated, and I'll just exit out this trade without waiting for the stop loss. That's the.
Let's see, guys. Let's see.
And guys, also we have a lot of giveaways going on the Discord funding pips. Just vote for the funding pips on platform match, and make us #1 as we deserved, as funding pips deserve to be #1 for the platform match reward or award. Okay,
Yeah,
a lot
yeah.
of giveaways are going on the Discord server. Just vote for the funding pips on platform match and make it #1. Just waiting for this one candle.
This 843 fair value gap, it if it respect, then it makes sense.
I
I
enter
entered.
learn now on strategy of Umar Punjabi. It may be you can get take profit as it's all about probability. No wonders. I can get a stop out before you.
Blow 5 accounts yet to withdraw from any, and I'm 3 year plus in my trading journey, but it seemed to well on my personal account. Nice, nice, brother. Really appreciate. It takes time, bro. It will take at least 2 to 3 years minimum to be a consistent profitable trader. Like you have to develop your mindset. You have to
Exactly.
train your eyes.
Guys, just go on the Discord of FundingPips as our community manager Evic just announced once again to vote for us on platform match and make us win, and you have opportunity to win 50k, 25k, or even a 10k account, and even 100k account giveaways are going on. Just go on platformmatch.com and vote for funding pips. Don't you think guys that funding pip deserve to be hashtag one? I'm not talking about for funding ticks, but funding pips deserved at hashtag one.
One and a half years only in trading. You are doing good, brother Fernanda. Like trading is all about if you don't give up for a long time, one day you will see the result. Like let's say for example you are trading for last 4 to 5 years, then there will be one day because every day you are grinding yourself. You look the chart each and every day. Subconsciously, you are learning something every day. So that's the main thing. I think 5 minute time frame. It's about to retrace right now, bro. But let's see.
I'm just waiting for that. The 5 minute candle has no wick to it. There is still some like probabilities to flip and then fill the lower wick of that 5 minute candle, and then it will be continued.
So it's the beauty of trading is like there will be one day like 20 pips moves or 30 pips moves, whatever. But we can identify or we can see the one day from here to here. It will be the probability will be very high. So on that day, if you came to that level, bro, it doesn't have any limit on lot size.
Yeah, agreed.
So that's the power of trading, and you are the boss of yourself. You doesn't need to take any permission from somewhere or anyone else, and you can trade from anywhere you want.
But for that, I think you have to pay a price. That the struggle,
Yes, obviously.
that the pain, that the deep pain that no one experienced in their life, no professional guy has been taste of this pain. Like if you are someone who's trading with a 100k master account and seeing in front of you that you are $7,000 up, and that profit $7,000 just reverse and give you break even. This is the pain that you just lost a realized unrealized gain of $8,000. This is someone's yearly salary. If you want to experience this kind of taste, you have to go through with the pain. You have to pay a price, as Hiramani mentioned about the freedom, the flexibility. For that, we all have to pay the price. Even if you're seeing us, we are sitting in front of you, we all pay the price.
So the real thing is don't give up. And the simple line for you guys: do the right things.
Hiramani, I'm just updating my trade become invalidate on this level.
Okay, okay, do it, do
So
it.
I'm just doing exit as I'm not going to wait for the stop loss. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just
Here's the trade management.
checking out on this trade. Okay, we how I can say this stop loss. Let me write it out. SL. Because I seeing that this 1 minute candle is pushed very aggressively. It has a highly chance to go up. So why should I wait for my stop loss?
Makes sense. So, can you please explain the idea like the stop loss is above, but you are taken away right now? So, can you please explain further to the viewers?
Like I place a trade with the $250 stop loss, okay, which was there,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm seeing in front of my chart that the current floating loss is close to 130, $140, and I'm seeing this wholesome candle. If I remove this position here, I'm seeing this candle here, money, and this is indicating me, this is a simple textbook thing that the price is very exclusively going up. The way we go downside from there to there and the way we are going up, this exclusive candle is just giving me confirmation that we can at least go to this level. We can easily go to this level, okay? And here was my stop loss. So why I will hold this trade when I'm seeing in front of my charts that this has to go there, and it may go down from this level, but it has to go there. So it will make sense for me to not accept that $250 loss. For in that place, I can stop out myself for $140. So indirectly, I save $160, $160. Even in loses, I find a win over there. Like I exit on this level, this candle when this was forming, and you can see over there, this was almost $80 or $100 candle. As the December is going on, I'm not trading actively 100K, 50K account. I'm just trading 25K. Even if I lost, I can easily like afford that to lose multiple accounts of 25K.
Nice one, nice one. So here's the thing, like you need to understand, it's not random, guys. Tufik is entering short on gold, but before hitting his stop loss, he was exit in the market, but with a reason, like he know exactly what he's doing. So it's not random. Like the price is going up, that's why I remove my position and all. It's not random. It's all about the planning.
And if I was holding this trade, this will be based on hopes. Okay, it may go down from this level, but thing is if I secure some money over there, then in 5 or 10 upcoming trades I know what need to do. Okay, and if I make some money on this trade by hoping that this can go down, even if this will go down, okay, but next 5 or 10 trade will affect from these irrational decisions. Okay, so if you train your mind like this with hopes, it will affect your upcoming trades like 5, 10, 15, whatever it is going to become.
It will sweep Asian high. Yes, that is my point of interest for today. Gold Asian highs, but Tufik also wants to buy on the market. Same with me, but we doesn't get any good or perfect retracement for that or any setup for that. That's why we are just watching the price.
Hiramani, we have a lesson in our chats. There's a guy, Ajay Kumar. I have shorted from 4 to 8, 9. What should I do now? You should do the way exactly I did in last few minutes. You should make a level, bro, like this. If I'm shorting on this level will be should be your a level where your trade become invalidates. You need to know that there will be a level where my trade will become invalidate, and you need to plan your exits, guys. And if you are someone who is holding your shorts from 4 to 8, 9 to 4, 3, 1, 4, this is, I think, 150 or 160 pips move. I don't know how much you lost, but I think you need to cut. Regardless of anything, it can go down again from this level. But the holding this much pips, this much move, I think doesn't make any sense until unless you are not a swing trader. Okay, I'm talking about this invalidation of trade. This just for the day trader who is taking trades every day, every sessions. And like I'm talking about this, I'm seeing this move going up, and I have a chance if I see something more again here and here. then I can plan one more short. So why should I give my whole loss on that one trade? I can short once again, regardless of anything. No one is going to stop me for that. Okay, because I saved some money over there, that 120, $140, or you can say if for 20, 30 bips, I can short once again if I see something.
Okay. Bro, how much we should expect from $5,000 account in payout with discipline? The simple answer is it could be any kind of account, but 1% or 2% if you are in profit, then stop trading until you get the payout. Simple as that. So protect your capital, protect your master account, and try to take withdraw as much as possible. Don't go for 5% payout, 10% payout. Just 1 to 2% is more than enough for if you are really beginner and if you try to take some profits. And if you got like 5 to 10 payouts, then if you are buy some more accounts, then you can risk that account. It's up to you.
I'll tell you a story here, man. Recently, I was trading a 25K account, a master account, and I was up 20%. I was up 20% on that master account. And one
Shit.
trade was there was a trade of which I where I took almost only $200 loss, and I caught a lowest of the day. Okay, and that trade was giving me almost $3,500 on a 25K account with the stop loss of $200. Can you imagine? And I sleep on that day, and I wake up. I saw $1,000 in front of my eyes, and I was just waiting because we come across from $3,500 profit to 1,000, and at the time I was hoping that it can go up again without any reason that. And trust me, I lost for $500 on that trade. First is goes back to my break even. Then I was playing with my stop loss, just reduced time to save that position. I ended up losing on that account. So if you are someone who is hoping, the guy we have in chats, like he was shouting gold on a 4289, and look at the candle. Did I did something right here to not hold that shots? And I saved some money over there as well. If you made 5, 10%, 5%, even 5%, 3% on your master account, you comes under one about 2% player of the prop firm traders. Okay, so you should wait for that payout request and buy some more accounts during that period. Okay, so that's how you should trade master account. If you don't want to become example like me, who lost 20% after who lost a trade after making $3,500. It was 12%, even more than that.
It was on FundingPips.
Yeah, 25K account.
So that's the lesson, guys. And chat, just type on the chat. I will say you a line. So just type on the chat. Okay. So do the right things consistently, long enough, without expecting any results. I'm repeating again. Do the right things consistently, long enough, without expecting any results. So this is the key for success, especially in trading. So in your first some months or first 1 or 2 year, do the right things consistently, long enough, without expecting any results.
I
Please type
agree.
on the chat.
I agree with that. Heramani, look at whenever we trade on a stream, we never get our level. I don't know why. Always, I notice it so many times. Like it will give us the way we were expecting. Can you see Hiramani? We like make a path over there that we can go to the free 4315, but we saw that take profit. We saw that we got the level of upside, but we don't get the entry over there. I noticed so many times. Whenever we trade, we never get the level which we marked.
Nice, nice. And please write down to your notes, guys. Please write down, or you can print out and just paste it in front of your monitor or in your trading decks. Then try to read out each and every day. Read yourself or try to say to yourself, do the right things consistently long enough without expecting any results each and every day. It will help you a lot.
Guys, how many people are there on the stream? 54. Too less. Look at guys.
So, gold Asian's high is liquidity is swept right now. And Tufik, are you waiting for 9:45 news?
No, I'm not waiting for anything else. I'm done for the day already. I was just took a short scalp just for that stream to take a trade, and I actually executed perfectly without losing too much. So I think I'm done for the day, and we look forward tomorrow. What we can
Okay,
see
nice one.
as 1 minute. If I see 1 minute over there, let's see 1 2 minutes over there how this is acting. Cause this was the Asian highs, and we have a liquidity sweep of two highs. You can see over there, and we can plan shots. But I will not execute that. Is something for sure. Let's see how this will react on this level. But this is a key level. If you see, this is the key level for the shots. Also, I'm not giving you a hope that guy who is holding this shot in the comment section. But let's see like how this will goes. Or this is 43171 is the key level for me. From the beginning of stream, I explained and I told you guys that we can go to sweep this height, but we didn't get the entries for the buy zone, but we got the level we were expecting to go. Someone is timing something 1 hour time frame FVG giving better clarity than 5 minute FVG. Range cells at a clear. I think Hiramani can answer this very well because I don't trade
One
IC.
hour time frame fair value gap giving better clarity than 5 minute fair value gap. 4328, 4328, 4340. Range cell setup clearly visible. Yes, it makes sense, bro, because 1 hour is more bigger time frame than 5 minute. So you will have like how much 12 candle 12 5 minute candle in 1 hour time frame. So for me, whenever I trade, it may be on gold or euro USD or anything, I will always go for a higher time frame bias and higher time frame direction. So that is the main area. If you are trading in 1 minute as well, don't forget to check the higher time frame bias, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frame bias. It will be very helpful to you. So obviously 1 hour will be more clarity than 5 minute time frame. It may be fair value gap or order block or direction of the market. Always higher time frame will be the key. So brother MRT7. Okay, so we can call it a day to fix.
Yeah, I don't have any problem. Let's find it up, guys. It was a good session, an interactive session, and we'll see you all someday later.
Okay. Thank you
Bye.
so much, everyone. See you again in our next live and have a great day. And see you next time. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.